Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again on iPhone. So if you're having issue on to log in and onto your TikTok account, then you're onto the right guide. So let's try to log off first onto this TikTok account that I have on my end. So if you're having issues on not being able to log in onto your account, so there might be some technical issues that you're facing onto your iPhone. The first thing that you could try to do is to head onto the settings of your iPhone. So here on settings, just click onto general and then right after, just head onto iPhone storage. Once you're already onto the storage, just go ahead and search for the TikTok app. So you should be able to find it somewhere in there. And then right after, you need to click onto Offload app. So this will free up the storage used by the app, but keeps its document and data safe. And you could reinstall the app and it will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So simply click onto that and click onto Offload app again to proceed. Right after that, once you're successful with uploading the app, it's time to go ahead and head onto the App Store of your device. So just simply search App Store here. And here onto the App Store, you need to go ahead and search for that specific app, which is TikTok. So once you're already in here, just go ahead and click onto that and click onto this one. And this will also make sure that you have already the latest version of the app. So you need to make sure that you have the latest version so that you could use TikTok onto its best potential. Right after that one is already also installed, and if you try to log in and the issue is still persisting, you could head back again here onto the settings, and this time you'll just need to go back and try to click onto software update. Make sure that you have the latest version of the app so that you could use TikTok as well the best. So as you can see, we could still upgrade to iOS 18, but I think iOS 17.7 is already the up-to-date for this specific iPhone model. So you'll just need to click onto open and go ahead and try to see if you could log in already onto your account. And that is how easy you could fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.